And good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another travel vlog. It's currently 5:30 a.m. and we are going to explore Don Salvador, which is a region outside of Bacolod City. And I would like to say thank you to Mama Seth for hooking us up with this van. You're our mama in Bacolod. Okay, so let's go. We might catch some breakfast on the way. I think it's gonna be a super fun vlog. If you're new to this channel, my name is Martin and I make travel vlogs from pretty much all over the world. All right, but currently here in the Philippines and I'm loving it, trying to experience the culture. And yeah, let's go. So we made it to Malotoc Falls. You guys can see down there about 30 to 20 minute walk is the OG Falls, Malotoc. We're not gonna trek down, but we brought the drones. We're gonna show you what it looks like. We came across this very cute cafe. It's called Terraza Cafe. In this place, they have built places where you can take your cool Instagram photos with a nice backdrop. And that's the restaurant. Oh, the beautiful sunflower. Me and Drae are going to show you all the good spots and what to expect if you ever make it to the El Salvador Terraza Cafe, Don Salvador Terraza Cafe,
Selfie Park.
The first thing you're going to notice is that there's a lot of steps to get down, and the first location is a swing. Marva approves. Safety. For our second spot, we have the sky bed. Wow. And for our next destination, we have the native sky bed. Shoes off, step on the native sky bed, and enjoy the view. I must give it, the owners have really put in the effort to turn this into something special. That's cool. It's very nice. Guys, it's growing bananas in the trees here. That's how jungle-ish this place is. Now for our next destination, the Angel's Vendetta.
Can I take a picture, sir?
Yes! So right now, look at that. Like the formations of the wings. It's like, goes in one with the mountain in the back. And this is actually very cool. This is a giant bird's nest. So for the first time in my life, I'm gonna actually get to lay an egg. The eagle. Life is pretty good right now. So me and Drae, we just figured out that in this nest, you can actually make it look like you're naked. If you shoot it from like here, and you're only wearing your shorts like me. Yeah, like that. So I think this is cool, but I'm gonna have more fun with this one. The native hut. If this thing can fit the Norwegian, it can fit anything.
You know what I mean?
Ave! Wow. And when you're done, you can enjoy the coffee with your loved ones. Wow, this is a very uncommon scene here with pine trees everywhere. It's like being back in Norway. It's a pine tree forest. That's what's up. We're just exploring now, having a blast. Bye.
Picture me.
Picture lang. Guys, we discovered something very unique. What in the world?
There's a ladybug oh.
So there you go.
That's why you're good.
That's why you wanna go here,
Hey guys, so now we have arrived at Mumbokkol Resort. Mumbokkol is local for boiling because there are a lot of hot springs here. Natural hot springs which you can also take a dip in. But what we are going to do is that we're going to explore the waterfalls. And this is something that I've been looking forward to for a long time. I've heard that it's good for content, both for photography and videography. And there's rumors of places you can jump. How are you feeling today, Avet?
Well, the roads are windy going here.
Yeah.
So I'm a bit...
But it's very, very cool. I haven't seen this jungle vibe in the Philippines before now. So it's nice to experience a new climate.
Yeah.
Look at it. This is what I mean. Look at the size of these trees.
Yeah. Like Brazil.
It's like Brazil, yeah, actually. In the trees up here, there are bats. Giant bats. And as always, fully dressed up in swims. If you guys are wondering more about this brand, it's one of my partners that I'm working with. And I'm gonna link their website if you wanna check out the different accessories I'm wearing. All right, and this is a natural heated pool that comes from nature. They call it a dipping pool here. This is exactly why this resort is called Mumbokkol Resort. We might swim there later. Never seen anything like it. If you're curious more about this resort, I'm gonna link it in the description below so you can just click there and book your stay if this is something that you would love to do. And according to our guide, this pool is so hot that you can boil eggs. Maybe we should try with Drae.
Yeah.
Our guide's gonna demonstrate. Welcome to the waterfalls. Right now we're gonna explore the amazing waterfalls. This place is very well known for its bats. Oh, I hope I never run into a big one like this. That's crazy, look at this. And here are the prices if you want to do this waterfall. So now we are exploring with our guide. Yeah, he told us it's about 30 minutes to the first swim. It's a lot less crowded than the other waterfalls we visited. We trekked for about 5 minutes before we learned that there's actually a hubble service that you can take. And hubble, if you're not aware of what that is, it's a scooter service where you jump on the back of a scooter and you just pay someone to take you wherever you need to go. And that seems like a much more convenient option because it's a 3-hour hike to the top fall, but only a 20-minute drive on a scooter. So hubble, let's go. That was one heavy ride. We're up to foot again, and now we're trekking for the 7th fall. This is the path. Quite the adventure. So green. We don't have this in Norway, no. So all around here spread volcano rocks. You can imagine the volcano bursting these out. And finally we have reached the 7 falls. Alright. So one last bamboo bridge and we are there. And right now he's cutting up the jackfruit that he just got from the forest. And this is the 6th level of the waterfall. That's so cool. And this is where you can jump in. That's so cool! Wow, man! We need to shoot some photos with the big camera. Okay. Time to head back down. That was so much fun. If you come here, you gotta do that. Now we're gonna go and try to get some lunch. Guys, we are heading back. We're back in the van. We're so hungry right now. We haven't eaten in a couple of hours, and we spent at least 2 to 3 hours exploring those 2 waterfalls. So that drains you for energy. So right now, we just decided to look for a place to eat along the road back to Bacolod. Back to Bacolod. Bacolod.
Can't see.
Can't see. What's that, Ave?
You can't see me?
You can't see you, but I can eat see. What? So this is something you recommend?
Yeah, if you're here in Bacolod.
Alright, and it's what type of meat is it?
It's beef.
So the kansi, right?
Can't see, yes.
Kansi is boiled for 5 hours and has some ingredient that's only found in this region.
It's called Batuan Herons.
Aaron's Cookhouse Cafe. And guys, I realized that I didn't really have a good ending for this vlog, so I'm ending it right here. Such a unique experience, jumping on those hubble rides, experiencing those waterfalls. Definitely a thing you guys should do if you're ever in Bacolod. I think it was my most rural experience so far.
Oh, you're gonna have more of it. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Wait, I just want to say that my phone is not working anymore. It's giving up on me.
Okay, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog. Subscribe to Martin.
Only I'll be loving it.
And we hope that you enjoy the vlog, and we're gonna catch you on the next one.
Subscribe to Averilla.
No to Martin. Bye.
Only Ave.
No.
Subscribe to Averilla.